it's something that I think over time, like I said, that I've been here, we haven't spent enough time on. And these kids are so, the way that they build relationships or they meet people, online and things like that, this kind of puts them in a situation of, you have to learn these skills to deal with people face to face. This is how we talk and how we, are really going to make valuable connections to our lives with people face to face as opposed to texting and Snapchatting and stuff like that. So I think that's a really big piece. But again, like I said, they get tools, they get strategies that they get to use coming out of the program that I think is so valuable for them because they just don't get it anywhere else. It's just something that we've, over the years, you haven't spent enough time on. So that's where it's really, I think the kids get a lot out of it.